If you simply implement the editing hacks that I'm going to share with you in this video, it could be the thing that caused you to go viral on YouTube right now because so many of you aren't doing the simple editing tricks that big YouTubers are doing that allow them to go viral and get a ton of views. And if you start to implement these tricks, well, guess what's going to happen? You're going to go from being a small YouTuber to a big YouTuber incredibly quickly. In fact, this creator was able to implement these 4 hacks and gain over 1 million subscribers in just a 30-day period. And this creator was able to do the same exact thing, except they went from a small creator to over 100,000 subscribers again in just a 30-day period. And the same exact thing can happen to you if you simply implement the tips that I share with you in this video without skipping any of them, because the last one is by far the most important. Hack number 1, you need to make sure that you're changing the background during your intro 2 to 3 times. Now this could be changing the background, this could be having B-roll come up, or it could be having something actually pop up on the screen. Because if you're not doing that, you're not gonna hook somebody in and you're not gonna grab their attention. Let's face it, not every single one of us is the best script writer ever. So a way that you can actually make your script better is by showing whatever you're talking about on the screen. For example, if you're making a video about how to get 6-pack abs, your video shouldn't be a fat person. It should be somebody with 6-pack abs. If you're showing somebody how to lose weight, it should be a fat person turning into a skinny person, or whatever the case is. If you're showing people how to make money in the stock market, you need to make sure that you're actually portraying that, because one of the biggest mistakes that I see small accounts doing on YouTube right now is they're just telling people what to do. Instead, you need to be showing people and telling people. On top of that, you need to make sure that your background is changing every 5 to 7 seconds. The reason for this is you need to keep people engaged. If you're not keeping people engaged, well, guess what's going to happen? They're going to swipe away from the video, and if they swipe away from the video, it's going to decrease the amount of views that you're getting because your audience retention isn't going to be good. And since you watch my videos, or you don't watch my videos, so I'll tell you right now, you need to get over 80% audience retention depending on how long your video is. If your video is less than 30 seconds long, you need to be aiming for 100%. If your video is over 30 seconds long, you need to be aiming for 80%, but even more importantly, you need 80% of people to view your video as opposed to swiping away on your video. And if you're not hitting that metric, it could be one of the reasons that you're not growing right now. Or you might not be tapping into the fact that the majority of people that watch YouTube videos don't watch with the sound on, so you need to implement this second tip. And that is that you need to make sure that you're adding engaging captions into your content. And I'm not only talking about captions, you also need to be adding in emojis, and you also need to be emphasizing certain powerful keywords to keep viewers hooked for long. Lucky for you, today's video sponsor Submagic can do that easily for you using AI. If you want to add captions to your content without it being hard, without it taking you hours, you need to go to the pinned comment below. In fact, I strongly suggest you do that. The reason being, it's going to increase the amount of views that you get. It's also going to increase the odds that you go viral. Think about all the big creators that you think about. Gary Vee, Alex Hormozy, people like that. What do they all have in common? They all add captions into their content, and you need to be adding captions into your content too. And like I said, you want to make it incredibly easy by allowing AI to do it so that it's more accurate. They add in emojis automatically, and best of all, if you use Submagic, you can get 10% off if you go to the pinned comment below. And they're also going to give you a description that you could be using and different hashtags that you could be using. If you want to go viral on YouTube, you need to make sure that you're implementing these tactics, because the majority of people that watch YouTube Shorts don't actually have the sound on. So for you to be able to hook them in, you need to be using those power keywords, you need to be using emojis, and you need to make sure that you have captions. What are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below, sign up right now, get 10% off, and it's going to help you increase the amount of views that you're getting and increase the odds that you go viral on YouTube. But we can't stop there. You also need to make sure that you're looping your content on YouTube. The reason you want to loop your content is because once viewers feel that your video is starting to die down, guess what they're going to do? They're going to swipe away from the video, or they're going to completely abandon the YouTube app and get off of the app. And you cannot let this happen. And the way that you counteract this is by making sure that you add a loop into your content. And the way that you loop something, you want to take the beginning and you want to put it at the end of that video, so you're kind of starting your video a few seconds in or in the middle of the video. And what that's going to do is it's going to increase the amount of people that get to 100% watch time when they're viewing one of your videos. Because if you just had a normal video with an intro, a middle, and end, they can kind of feel the ending coming. But if you start a few seconds in, it goes, and then the ending is actually the hook of your video, well then guess what ends up happening? They keep watching, and either one, they watch the video all the way through again. This is the best case scenario. Or worst case scenario, 3, 4, 5 seconds in, they realize that they're watching the same video again, but it doesn't matter, because at this point you already have 100% watch time. And what is this going to do? It's going to increase the amount of views that you get and increase the odds of you going viral, so long that you implement this next tactic that I'm about to share with you, because it's the #1 thing that took my YouTube account from struggling to grow to gain over 580,000 subscribers, and you probably didn't even know that you were doing this wrong. and that is that you need to make sure that you're recording your videos in multiple clips. I see so many small accounts try to talk the whole entire time, be it a minute long video, a 3-minute long video, a 5-minute long video. Even if it's a 20-second video, I would be recording in several different clips, and there are 2 reasons for this. First and foremost, in order to keep the audience as engaged as humanly possible, you need to make sure that your tone of voice, your facial expressions, and everything else are on point. And now this is nearly impossible unless you're professionally trained to do this for a long period of time. So the way that you could get around that is by recording in multiple clips. In fact, I record my YouTube videos in multiple clips. I record my shorts in multiple clips, and I suggest that you do the same exact thing. The second reason for this is it's going to make it way easier for you to actually say things or do things and actually do a good job at them, because you'll be way less focused on trying to make sure that you're perfect for a minute long or for 90 seconds long. I suggest recording in clips that are, if you're creating a long form video, 30 to 60 seconds long, and a short form video 10 seconds long. The other thing that this is going to allow you to do, it's going to make it way easier for you to add B-roll. It's going to make it way easier for you to add transitions, and this is going to increase the amount of watch time that you're getting. Now, if you want to get guaranteed more subscribers on YouTube right now, well then please keep watching this video, because I've got a special offer for you. As opposed to you keep trying to grow on your own, why don't you hire a coach, somebody that can actually tell you exactly what to do to guarantee that you get more subscribers? If that sounds interesting to you, well then please keep watching this video, because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are 2 things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those 2 things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.